Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on my Yamaha Golf Cart here. My brake's sticking. There's nothing there in the pedal. So I got a sticky cable. So on the passenger side, this is where the brake goes. So this cable here, right there, you can tell there's no lube on it. Dry, never been oiled or anything. So I'm just going to clean it a little bit here. And spray WD-40, any kind of lubricant on there. Spray on the spring. Load her up. Now I'm going to go and press on the brake a few times. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that freed it up pretty good, so spray some rust check there. A little more on there. Yeah, it's working pretty good there now, so I'm gonna run a rag over that. I'm gonna clean the spring a little bit there. I'm gonna shoot it with some brake cleaner. A little compressed air here. Yeah, that looks really good there now. And as you can tell right now, all the way down. All right, that's it. It's working like a charm now. Subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up below. Thank you for watching.